Furniture flipping doesn't mean that you're going to have to spend dozens of hours working on a piece. So today we're going to keep it short. We're going to be using cleaner, toner, and some markers to try to see if we can take this $25 table and turn it around for a profit. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off this price tag. All right, here we go. One of the cool things about this table is that it's a Haywood Wakefield. So it's actually a pretty cool table. Unfortunately, it did not come with the center piece. So this is all we have. We don't have the sheet that goes in the middle, but I think it's a pretty cool table for, you know, perhaps a small apartment or somewhere where space is a concern. So I think we can still turn around and make a nice little profit from this. All right, so I am going to use a little bit of polyurethane. However, this is probably going to take us, honestly, about 5 minutes to touch it up, so it shouldn't be that bad. Let's go ahead and do that. This is the areas that we're going to have to fix. You can see all 4 legs are actually in the same shape, so they definitely need a little bit of touching up. All right, so we have the table upside down and we have it ready to be touched up a little bit. So I'm just going to do a little bit of polyurethane here at the legs and try to see if we get a good match. And if so, we should be pretty good to go. Now what I'm using here is a rub-on polyurethane, which should be a lot easier to apply than many other products out there. So literally just put a little bit on the cloth, rub it on. There we go. Again, looks pretty good. Honestly, once when it's freshly applied, once it dries up, it'll probably still show a little bit, but then we'll probably do a couple of coats. We should be all good to go. All right, so once the polyurethane dried up a little bit, you can still see that there was some color missing. So I ended up going with the toner to get it to match a lot closer to the rest of the table. And as you can see right here, it's definitely working. So I'm going to go ahead and keep doing the rest of the legs. Okay, so once I'm done with the toner, I'm actually going to apply a couple of coats of the rub-on polyurethane, and that way we're going to be able to seal that color against the wood. And now, honestly, this only took a few minutes of actual work. And as a reminder, this is what the legs looked like before we got started. And now, take a look. They look brand new. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description with all of the items that I used. Make sure you like and subscribe. And with that, I'll leave you with a couple more shots of this brand new table.